This is the Elgato Key Light and it's just arrived. Now, before you go away, this is not the greatest of lighting here. There's lighting all around the edges, there's lighting directly above, but this isn't the normal time that I usually video. Usually I try and video during the day because it's the most natural lighting and there's windows all around because I don't have any extra lights. But this is hopefully going to change things. So I'm going to unbox it, set it up and show you exactly what a difference this little baby can make. So let's have a look. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, it's not the cheapest of lights by any stretch, but from what I read and what I hear, it's a pretty good one. Yeah. So it's LED, clamps onto the side of a desk, I believe. Okay, so here's the instructions. That's novel, but okay, there's instructions. Here it is. So this is the main bit, I guess. That gives you an idea of size. It's got a nice weight to it, actually. Feels quality. That's good. Okay, we've got some power. Power adapters. Okay, we've got UK, Europe, US. I think that's it. And there's one more in there. I'm not quite sure what that one is. Power supply. And I guess, yep, this is the main adapter. Feels really sturdy, actually. Nice clamp on there, padded. Some twist locks, so this can come right out. Like that. Nice. Okay. So let's have a look at this, set it all up and see how much it's going to improve the lighting in this particular scenario. What it will do is it will allow me to video in the evening or when it's dark or when the lighting's not so good. I don't have to wait for a bright day to be able to record. So let's switch right now. And there it is. So that's also enabled me to turn off the surround lights or turn them right down. It's allowed me to bring my ISO level down so it's less grainy. It's allowed me to turn the lights above down, but it's just one light, the Elgato Key Light, which is probably about 2 meters away from me. So normally you would have this a little bit closer, or you could even use it for a backlight. But yeah, it seems to work. I don't know what you think, let me know. But just so you know, what you have to do, the instructions are you need to download some software. It connects via Wi-Fi. I'm using the iPhone and it has some really simple controls. Basically, it has an on-off switch once you're connected. It has the brightness level and it has the color temperature. So I can change the color temperature from really warm to really cool and anything in between. But I'm setting it to 5,400 roughly. Just for this particular video. So the instructions are all on here. You'll need to download that. It's called the Elgato Control Center. Once you've done that, you link it to your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. So that's it for today. That's the unboxing, and hopefully for the future videos we'll have some better lighting. Alright, just one more thing. If you want to see more of these videos, usually technical related unboxings or trying out new equipment, then please hit the like button and more importantly hit the subscribe button. And if you really want to know when the latest one is uploaded, hit the bell as well. Alright, see you in the next one.